All right, so I want to first of all thank all of you for subscribing and following because I've just blown up. I got 1,000 plus on TikTok and now over 250 on YouTube, or close to at least. I have to check again. You guys are incredible. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, I decided, you see all these big people, the influencers, when they hit a milestone, they do a gift for themselves. So I decided I would buy a fragrance. And I decided my favorite perfumer, and it's MFK, Maison Francis Kurkdjian. I think he does some of the best scents out there. I love him. Now, Max Aroma had a sale, and so all of his fragrances were on sale. Well, the one that I wanted is the first one I ever smelled, and it's Aqua Celestia. I think that is a perfect soapy fragrance. Great for the summer, it's great for the winter, works year-round. I thought, it'd be fitting that that's the one I got. They didn't have it on sale. They didn't even have a full presentation. I could only get like samples. So I thought, I'm not getting that. Then I checked Aqua Universal. I don't really care for that fragrance as much, but they didn't really have a sale. And the sale they had for that one was like 20 bucks. I'm like, well, I'm not paying that. So then I kept looking around, and I love Oud. Oud is one of my favorite fragrances of his. They did not have full presentation of that, and it wasn't on sale. So I kept looking, and then I found this fragrance, and I got it. I bought Oud Satin Mood, the Extrait de Parfum, the new version. I love this fragrance. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is a rose, Oud, amber, saffron trifecta, the perfect combination. Let me just show you the presentation real quick. The top has a pull tab, and you pull it. I'm trying to show you all this. And the fragrance just sits right inside. It's a nice presentation. Actually, it isn't the classiest I've ever seen, but I actually really like this. Now, this is not foam. I wish it was foam. It's kind of cardboard. But you know what? It was hard to get that fragrance out. So the cardboard, it worked. So that's presentation. But the thing you actually care about, check it out. Son, there is the bottle. You got the logo on top, like all MFKs. On the back, etched in the glass, you have the logo. I don't know if you can see that. In fact, I just now saw it for the first time. I didn't know the logo was there. That's kind of cool. This bottle cost, I think, $4 or $4.50. Now, there was a sale, and I got it for $300. I know it's still pricey, but I figured everything you guys are doing for me, I appreciate it, and I thought I would review this for you. So I sprayed it on yesterday. It is a wonderful fragrance. Now here, I'll give you one spray so you can see what it looks like. The atomizer, check it out. It is such an uplifting fragrance. It is rose heavy. So if you don't like rose, you're not gonna like this fragrance, but the Oud blends perfectly with this fragrance. It really works well together. I sprayed it on, right now it's on, you can smell actually. That little waft there. I sprayed it on, and it was projecting like a beast. Like, my gosh, I was trying to smell other fragrances. I couldn't. And now here's the thing. I sprayed it on my left arm only, and the whole area was just bubbling up with one spray on my arm. So again, it is Extrait de Parfum, and I believe it. This is powerful. So I think this fragrance here is a 2 or 3 spray fragrance, and it will last forever. So yes, is it expensive? Yes. But this is going to last me forever. I'm so excited to pop this in the colder time. I think this is going to be a perfect winter fragrance and a cooler fall and spring fragrance. It is a beast of a fragrance. I love it. Now, again, you got to like rose. If you don't like rose, you may not like it. But dear glory, this is a compliment magnet. This has all that factoring in it. Everyone, guys, girls, everyone's going to love this fragrance. So if you want something like that and you want to gift yourself a nice little presentation, check this out. Now, are there dupes and clones out there that are cheaper? I'm sure there are. I didn't buy them. I didn't even look for them. I haven't actually bought a single MFK dupe that I know of. This is good. I'm appreciating that I bought the original. So that's my newest fragrance of the day, and I'm loving it so much. So again, thank you so much for the support. I couldn't have done this without you guys, and I'm excited to see where we go in the future. So feel free to follow for more videos. I upload every day, and maybe when we hit like 5,000 or 10,000, I'll give myself another gift, and all because of you guys. So that way I can review more pricey fragrances that you guys will then know whether it's worth the price. Again, this is worth it. I'd say this is easily a 10 out of 10 fragrance. So, Nubs Fragrance, talk to you in the future.